oceanfront compound is 58,000 square feet. It's so big, our cameraman had to jump on a set of wheels to shoot it. The asking price is $159 million bucks, and the billionaire who built it has never lived here. There's a 2-story waterfall in the driveway and a 29-foot fountain rising up through the center of the limestone drive. Before we go inside, check out the resort-sized pool in the backyard. It's 150,000 gallons and costs $2 million bucks to build. There's even a putting green back here. Now let's see what's inside. The mahogany front doors are covered with 22-karat gold leaf. Price tag, $500 grand. The extravagant living room is staged with French antiques. Rolling back towards the foyer, you see a 100-year-old Austrian crystal chandelier and a jaw-dropping grand staircase. It's made of Namibian marble and costs $2 million to build. The Italian-made railings are dripping in 22-karat gold. We'll go upstairs to see the master in a minute. First, let's check out what's down this long hallway. The dining room has seating for 16 of your closest friends, and the over-the-top kitchen is covered in mahogany and, yes, even more gold. The mahogany-encased aquarium is 1,000 gallons, and the super-rich fish inside are super camera-shy. Let's check out what's downstairs. There's a 3,000-bottle wine cellar, and this entire wall is stocked with Cristal champagne. Next stop, the cinema. This is the first private residence with a 3D IMAX movie theater. Down the hall, there's a gigantic empty garage that can hold up to 30 cars. And check out this seating area with a ceiling that's covered in 22-karat gold leaf. Now, let's go up this $2 million staircase. Past the sparkling chandelier is the master wing. This bedroom was inspired by the master in the Vanderbilt's Biltmore estate. And you guessed it, there's even more 22-karat gold. If this beachfront palace is just your style, you may be able to get it for a steal. It's up for auction on November 15th with no reserve.